Hello， 你哋大家好。今日咧，我哋揾咗我嘅好幫手 Inês 幫我哋教葡文，因為咧 Inês 係一個葡文嘅老師嚟嘅，咁咧可以更加專業地教葡文啦。我哋今日係第一集，就所以有啲咩嘢錯誤咧，就唔好見怪。我哋都係喺度學緊嘢嘅。So, what are we going to learn today, Inês?
Hi guys, I'm Inês, and today we're going to talk a little bit about numbers in Portuguese. So the only difficulty here, we're going to go to from 1 to 10, is that from the number 1 and the number 2, they have like both genders, female gender and male gender, which can be a little complicated when you're asking for something because you're not sure if it's male or female. So that's the thing that's a bit tricky in numbers in Portuguese.
Yeah, that's
so I think maybe
quite tricky.
Yeah, so
come here. What is that?
So like number got male and female, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything's got male, female. Yeah.
There's uma,
Yeah. And then
there's
dois,
and duas. There's
Duas.
tres and
tres.
I don't remember.
You don't remember? What's it? Tres.
Tres is only tres.
Tres.
So only 1 and 2.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah, tres only one word. Tres. 即係冇男同埋女。嚇
Quatro. Yeah, only that one too. Cinco, seis, and so on.
Okay, so shall we go through the number then? You want?
So there's. So you can say
Oh.
You can see the female.
So
and
let's
female.
our teacher Inês teach us how to say
So
um.
it's like the male. Yeah. And the female version is uma.
But even if you're a male and you want to say eu quero uma cerveja, you have to say that, not cerveja, because then it doesn't make sense.
Why doesn't that make sense?
I don't know why.
Yeah, but it's because it's not according to your gender. It's according to the word's gender. Because
Yeah.
cerveja is a female word, so it's uma cerveja, yeah. And like
Even if you're a female, a male, you can still say that. I mean, yeah.
yeah, because it's not about your gender.
It's about the beer gender.
yeah.
The
About the word gender.
the word's
The
gender, not your gender.
The big gender.
Yeah.
So uma
Because
cerveja.
It's saying like, for instance, obrigado
Yeah.
and obrigada. That's about your gender.
Because
yeah,
yeah.
females
Some people
say
say-
obrigada and
Some people even say obrigada and brigade.
But when it's an object that you're talking about,
Yeah.
is changeable because
of the word's gender, yeah.
of the word's gender. So we're gonna 我哋會講一講喺個餐廳度會講啲乜嘢嘅。We're gonna record something what we're gonna order in a cafe setting. Yeah. So and we are gonna learn numbers. 我哋會學1至10. Yeah, we're gonna learn numbers. So 我係一個waitress. So I'm a waitress. I'm gonna have sentence. And Inês is the client, the customer. 個客人，我就係個茶餐廳嘅侍應。Bom dia, já sabe o que deseja?
Bom dia. Eu queria uma imperial. Can you repeat? Uma imperial.
Uma imperial.
Café com 2 pacotes de açúcar. Can you repeat?
Com dois.
Café
Café.
com 2 pacotes de açúcar.
Sugar.
2 empadas. 3 copos de água.
Hã?
3
Dois empadas.
Duas empadas. It's female.
Dois.
Dois is 2 packs of sugar, 2 pacotes de açúcar. 2 female, 2 empadas.
Duas empadas.
Depois 3 copos de água,
3 copos de água.
4 sumos de laranja,
4 sumo de laranja.
5 Pastéis de
nata.
nata.
5 pastéis de nata.
Pastéis de nata. 6
Chá
Chá
de
de
limão.
limão.
7
7
amendoins.
amendoins.
Não é peruca.
Amendoins.
8
Rissóis.
9
Rebuçados.
Rebuçado.
e 10
E 10
pastilhas.
e 10 pastilhas.
Tanto.
Tango já o seu pedido.
Obrigada.
Obrigada.
I don't say
Obrigada.
obrigado. 'cause
You
I'm
say
bored.
obrigado, yeah.
You
You
say
say obrigado.
obrigado. Yeah.
It
So
says obrigada there because you.
I'm a lady, yeah.
we just went through 1 to 10
Uh-huh.
of types of food in Portuguese.
And now we're going to do numbers.
Yeah.
So, you want to start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So, is basically the male. Uma is the female of
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
then
Those two are the male and female of one. And the dois and duas are with the female and male of two.
Dois and duas.
Tres. Tres doesn't have a female, it just has a male.
yeah, from 3 onwards, it doesn't have male and female.
Yeah, he didn't really
由
want to
3
marry
開
anyone.
始咧就冇男同埋女嘅，就係一個字嘅啫。So it's a lot easier after number 3. There's no male and female.
Ok, so,
Yeah.
3,
Tres,
depois 4,
4,
5, 6, 7,
7,
8,
8,
9
9
e 10.
e 10. So should we do it again? One more time. You win.
Oh my gosh. I'm holding my foot.
Okay.
I'm going dog now.
Uma,
Uma,
dois,
dois,
duas,
3,
3,
4, 5,
6,
6,
7, 8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
That's good. Yeah.
Well done!
Yay.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Subscribe, like, share, and link in the description and comment.
Thank you.